Hello everybody, today I'll be making it's one, but you'll have a choice. So you'll either be making this paper plane that glides well and will do tricks in the air if you throw it perfectly, and then you'll probably think, well, it has an edge in the front, it is just straight. Well, if you look closely enough, it's slanted actually. It's downwards, so it looks like from here it's pushed in, but when you look from here it's really not. Okay, so let's start. So A4 sheet of paper rectangle. If you don't know what A4 is, it's just a printed paper rectangle. So we'll start by folding it, not this way where it's long, the fat way. So it's like this. And colored paper like thick paper will not do the trick on this plane. It'll make it too heavy so that it'll fly down just like this. Yeah, so we want that. We don't want that. We want it to land like this so it doesn't damage the front. And then we'll unfold that. Bring the corner to the center, that crease that you just made. Bring the corners. So it was like this, but then we brought it to like that. And then what we are gonna do is, here's a pretty fun part, is where we're gonna take it, we're gonna fold it, we're gonna fold the tip down so that it's flat down. So just 1 second, trying to get a little image. So that you have like that. So it was like that, but then you brought it down. So we'll do that. And then do the same on the other. And then a squash fold is coming up. The squash folds are really fun folds. It's because that you get to like press. And then after you do both sides, you should have an X. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it so that So what we are going to do is we're going to push on top of the X, and then it's going to go down. Never mind. Sorry about that. Right on the top of the X, right here, you want to press. You kind of just want to like fold it. It's kind of hard doing it backwards, but you just want to like see my hands, see how they just like bring it down. And then you should have, so it was like this, but then we folded it so that's like this. Crease on each part. Then you're gonna have like this little loose piece. Fold it to one side, then the other, and then squash folds as come, where there's gonna be a little pocket right in here. You should get your finger in that, and then after you get your finger in here, just press down and make sure. And you can always ask a parent for help on this part. Well, you can literally ask a parent on any part that you need help on. Make sure that the point lines up with the center, the middle center. Then you should have this. So it was like this, but then put my finger in there. I squashed it. Now we are gonna fold it so that we're gonna fold it not like this, so that this little squat fold right here is showing at the bottom. And don't worry about the center crease or anything. Just line up the top as best as you could possibly. And then you see this little tip right there? You have a choice. You can either fold it down so that it's like this, and then it's like that, or you can fold it down right at this little tip right there. I'm gonna do it this way. It's because the one I'm doing right now is gonna do tricks. And I like it doing tricks in the air. It's pretty cool. So if you did it like me with the big wings, then your plane is going to turn out like this. If you did it the small wings, then your plane is going to turn out like this. And after you make the wings, you can get off of this video. But for the people that want to make this plane, do not get off just yet. So first what we want to do is we're going to flip it over so that we see the bottom. And then right here, we're going to fold that down just a tiny bit. Probably like that much. And do the same on the other side. Then we should have this, but not yet. We are not done. Then we would have that. Then on that crease right there, you're going to fold it upwards so that it matches the crease. And then it should turn out like this. And then, see, you have that little slant right there. You have the slant right here, but when you turn it like that, looks like it's pushed in. And you can fold the nose to one side, unfold it. Well, now just don't do this. I just want to test it out, how it works. Well, that is for my plane video today. I hope you enjoy the planes. I hope you really like them. And we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.